Hi, I'm Jamie Newell, and I'm with the 2018 Testbeds cohort. I'm on the Artist Accelerator program, and I guess I would say I was a multidisciplinary artist, but my primary focus is photography and videography. My focus over the next 12 months is going to be on drone photography and videography. Drones are changing the way we do things. Recently they were using drones to carry handbags down runways, and they're using drones to change the way in which we create, capture and document the artistic process, and also to see if I can introduce any new ideas and technologies into using drones for commercial purposes. My base, where I do the majority of my work, is at a place I call Little Red Creative Studios. It's a creative arts centre that I'm opening with artist Amy Ricks and dance instructor Kelly Seaton. It's on George Street, above Age Concern, opposite NatWest Bank. And we spent the last few months renovating the building to turn it into a place that we think befits such a creative centre. We're trying to provide somewhere in Luton that isn't currently provided for local and aspiring artists. And with other buildings in the town set to close over the next 12 months, we're hoping to capitalise on that and provide us a venue where people can come and hang out together and create together, because creative spaces are where things happen, and this is what we envisage Little Red to be. I've been calling it the Theatre of Hopes and Dreams, so let's see if we can make it so. What else can I say? I think that's about it. We're supposed to be doing a vlog series. I was going to vlog, but I used to vlog, and I've been trying to start a vlog up again since October 2017. Okay, so this is literally the fourth time I've tried to start this vlog. The vlog is back. The vlog is back. Missed October. Vlogember. Vlogmas, and now it's January. It's now March 2018, and I've made the video but I still haven't posted it. So in fact, interesting story, the pitch that I made to Testbeds for the 2018 cohort was loosely based on the video roundup of 2017 that I was doing for a vlog. So yeah, I might just get it out there. My main reason for getting into vlogging was mainly because my nieces and nephews consume a lot of that content on YouTube. And what I wanted to show them was that they didn't have to just be consumers of content, they could be creators. So I've made videos with them, for them, and shown them the process. And they have actually used it from time to time to make homework, which has been interesting to see, that kind of change in use of the technology. And my youngest nephew has definitely got a keenness for making films. So when I vlogged, I used to try and make a short film every time I vlogged. I guess that's what I'm going to try and get back to. Anyway, thanks for watching. I guess I'll try and do this Testbeds vlog at least once a week, and maybe try and do one of my own as well. So I guess I'll see you when I'm looking at you.